Hello dear fans. What is podzolic soil? Soil science distinguishes many different types of soils, and a special place among them is given to podzolic soil. Podzols occupy vast land areas and constitute a significant part of agricultural land in the northern hemisphere. Podzolic soils are called marginal soils characteristic of coniferous, boreal, northern, and eucalyptus forests, as well as the wastelands of southern Australia. They are formed on carbonate-free rocks, moraines, loams, mudstones, etc. The term was introduced by the Russian scientist V.V. Dokuchev in 1880. He borrowed it from the peasant dialect of the Smolensk province. It was there that the geologist was engaged in soil science. The name podzol comes from the word ash. It entered world languages with minor changes: podsol, podosol, spodosol, espadosolo, etc. Podzolic soils are distinguished by the absence of a soddy horizon, low humus content, about 1 to 4%, acidic reaction, and specific microflora, represented mainly by fungi and actinomycetes. The process of formation of this type of soil is called podzolization. It occurs as a result of the decomposition of the mineral part of the earth and the removal of the products of this decomposition into the lower soil horizons. Modern researchers associate the genesis of podzolic soils with the conservation of plant litter, low temperatures, a slowdown in the reproduction of microbes, and a lack of nitrogen and mineral impurities. The flushing water regime also has an effect. In soil science, it is customary to distribute podzols into groups: sod, sod-clay, sod-podzolic, podzolic-clay, sod-podzolic-clay, and peat bog. All of them have a different mechanical composition and, of course, differ in the degree of cultivation. There is also a classification according to the severity of the podzolic horizon. Depending on the depth of penetration, weak, medium, strong, and deep podzolic soils are distinguished. In general, it should be noted that, despite the low fertility, podzolic soils are actively used in agriculture. They constitute the bulk of the arable fund in Siberia and the Far East. However, for the cultivation of agricultural crops in podzol, liming is necessary, that is, the introduction of a significant amount of mineral and organic fertilizers, as well as drainage reclamation regulation of the water regime. For fertilization, phosphorus and nitrogen compounds, peat, manure, composts are used. In the non-Chernozem zone in Russia, fodder and industrial crops are grown on podzolic soils, pastures, hayfields and orchards are laid. Thanks for watching.